Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 4 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So after resetting, they should disappear. So all we have to do is to enter the settings, which are in this panel at the top of it. So let's tap on it and then scroll down to the very bottom to tap on reset settings. Then let's tap on reset, and as you can see, we'll automatically go back to the camera and the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.